Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Golden Key Design. On today's episode, we got a nice long time-lapse for you of the start-to-finish process of the Chicago Condo Renovation. And if you like this sort of content, please like the video and also subscribe to our channel as we've got a ton more DIY content over there, as well as a breakdown of each of these individual projects you see in this video. And lastly, we have an Instagram and a TikTok too, so if you want even more content, you can follow us over there. So grab a drink, find a comfy chair, sit back, relax, and enjoy. I'll see you at the end. Alright, I hope you guys really enjoyed that. It took a while to compile all those clips, but I think it really shows all the effort that went into this place. And here's a video of the final result, kind of a walkthrough of the finished place. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, and pretty much everything was touched, so I'll just leave you with this video to kind of show you the end result of all that work. But I just want to take a moment to thank everyone that watched this whole series. As kind of the last episode of the Chicago Condo Renovation. We had a total of 16 episodes, so if you like something that you saw, you can go back and watch that specific video, as it has a breakdown of how to complete that project for yourself. And after living in this place for 2 years and renovating it and enjoying all the process and all the work, I'm now handing over the keys to some new tenants. Shortly after this video was taken, they actually arrived and started to move in. This was kind of like the final cleaning and the final saying goodbye to the place. Although I do still own it, so I can always come back, but it's rented to some new tenants, and hopefully they really take care of the place like I did. But excited for this kind of next chapter. And so this is kind of our second season, or second renovation that we completed on this channel, the first one being Project Needle. If you haven't seen that, go check that out. We did kind of a suburban home, whereas this is more in the city. And next we kind of have our country home, so we kind of covered all of the geographies. But look forward to not sure what we're calling it yet, but it has something to do with a lake, Project Lake House maybe. And so that should be coming up next week. We have a ton of more content, and I think this might be our most involved renovation coming up. So please subscribe if you want to stay tuned to see that whole series. But anyway, again, thank you all for watching. And if you have any comments about this process, any comments about any of the individual projects, or just about renovating in general, please leave them in the comments below, as I'd be happy to answer them. But anyway, I'll leave you with the end of this video, and thanks. I'll see you guys next week. And as always, thanks for watching, and happy building. See you next time.